Hey, Joe here. So today I want to do the unboxing of my new MacBook Air. So I guess I was super good for Christmas. So well, for 2020, and I got a brand new MacBook Air. So I'm super excited about this one. My previous machine is a Pixelbook 2 from Google. I've had this from 2018. I really love this machine. It's super portable. The design is super flexible. Um, it's as a tablet mode, everything. I really love this. I take it everywhere with me. So what I'm looking for is a similar machine which is super flexible, super small, that I can take everywhere with me. Um, this is not really a comparison video. I can do that further on, but just kind of showing you what my previous machine was. So this is it. So it's a little bit past Christmas, but I just had the time to kind of sit down with this because I know I'm going to get super excited, and I'm going to want to tackle it all day. So I decided to wait until I had that chance. This is my first MacBook. I am not part of the Apple ecosystem. I did have the iPhone for like a year, but I went back to Android, my personal reasons, and I'm usually a Windows user. But let's see, right? So we got this from Best Buy, I think. They were sold out on the Apple site. So yeah, just unwrapping it. Super excited again to see what's in it. I like the fact that it already looks just as small as my previous machine. The size looks similar. I think this is a 13-inch. And I think my Pixelbook is 12 inches. The specs for this are as follows. The specs are right here. It's a MacBook Air, 13 inches, designed by Apple. It's a 13-inch diagonal Retina LED backlit display with true tone technology. Nice. 2560 by 1600 pixels. That's super good. I'm not sure what the pixel density on my other machine was. 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. Headphone jack, yay! Because even though I do have wireless headset, I do like to use a wired headset once in a while. Stereo speakers, Touch ID, awesome. I really love being able to just use my fingerprint and get into my machine. Really love that. Full size backlit Magic Keyboard, love that again. Sometimes I want to use my machine in bed where my husband wants to sleep, and it's good to be able to turn off the light and just jot down your few thoughts that you may have while everyone else is sleeping without waking them up, right? Or without needing the light to type. So backlit keyboard is super good. Magic Keyboard, not sure what that is. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FaceTime, high definition camera, pre-installed macOS. That's good. Size and weight is 11 by 8 inches and 2.8 pounds. Super good. Seems super good so far. So let me dig in, just kind of open this and see what we have inside. So let me just tilt a little bit so you can see my lap. Ooh, come on. And the cover is off. Super sleek design. I bought AirPods and watch for my husband for Christmas and his birthday. And what I can tell you, I really love about Apple is the way they package their products. It's super easy to unpack. Everything is, look at this. So it's similar to the other products. If you have other, let me try to get a light in, other Apple products. This is the, what do you call that now? Oh my God, the thing we don't read. The instruction manual, and probably have the warranty in it. And here we have at the bottom, we have the charger, and we have the adapter part, and we have the charger part, the cable. So nice. This is like a Type C. All my machines now use Type C, which is super convenient. So I have the one charger that I charge all my laptops, because I have work laptop, personal laptop. So I'm not sure if it will work. The one I have will work on my MacBook, but it seems like the same type. So that's cool to have a new one. This is it for the packaging, and now we have big boy, or the big girl, right? Super light. Wow, really love that. Super small. Let me take her out. So as I told you, something I really love about Apple products, it's usually so easy to unpack. Just like that, a little sleeve. Wish this was like cloth or something, so it'd be reusable. That would be super cool, right? So here we have the machine. So super slick. I know my husband was trying to get me the blue, but he ended up with the gray, and that's totally fine. I think I treat my machines really, really well. But I think, you know, I'll probably get a sleeve for this one, or one of those glossy stickers that you put all the way over it. So let me go and open it up. Okay. Is it that I can't figure this out? I mean, I'm trying to open like from here. Okay. I was a problem. Oh, look at that. I opened it and it just did sound. The Apple logo is coming on. Super good. I guess it's booting up. So I really love the feel of this machine. I really love it. And the screen is beautiful. The screen is beautiful. The colors are amazing.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Love it, love it. I just, I'm just holding this one in this hand. I'm just kind of like weighing the difference. The size, yeah, this one's a little bit bigger. I think the Pixelbook is 12 inches, as I told you before. This, I really love the feel of this. The weight, both of them are, have a really good weight to it. The makeup, the materials, awesome. I love the screen. In terms of specs, I think the Pixelbook is this one. I think it's 8 GB of RAM, and it's 128 GB. Since it's a Chromebook, this is a Chromebook, just to make that clear. So I don't really do that much development on it. I did try setting up. I did have the IDE installed, but I had a lot of problems getting like Git, etc. So I do use this mainly for website development, for WordPress, etc. That's what I
Mac
use
OS
this.
contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Okay, so this is telling me about VoiceOver. Yeah, as I was saying, this is 8 GB of RAM, 128. This is 8 GB of RAM. The MacBook is 8 GB of RAM and 256. So this has more storage. One of the benefits already is that this is a Chromebook, so people have set up development environments because it does have a Linux partition. I found it super complicated to get that done, so I did not do it. I just use it for, as I mentioned, WordPress. For I do have websites that are like PHP based, and I just edit them directly. This is super fast for that. I edit them directly. I'm not recommending that for you, but with this, I'll be able to develop. I do also have a desktop, but I find it cumbersome to use. But with this, I can set up my IDE environment, Git, etc., and I can potentially go back to doing some of my side projects, which needs a full-fledged development environment. So this is accessibility a bit. I guess if you have low vision, low motor skills, you have some hearing or cognitive disability. Cool. So now it's asking me for my Wi-Fi. So I'm going to put that in real quick. So, wow, it's interesting because some of these Wi-Fi networks, I've never seen them before. So I'm not sure if that speaks to the range of the Wi-Fi hardware in terms of, how wide the reach is, because it is seeing networks that I've never seen before. Oh, it's amazing. So I probably put in the password wrong. Okay. Try to figure this one out. So I just put in the password. Again, just really admiring the beauty of this machine. You know, I should have had a table, which would have been really easy, much easier to kind of show both of them. Just for comparison, I was looking at the trackpad for this. It's kind of small, but you know, really easy to use. The trackpad for this is huge. It is huge, right? So, I mean, it takes up most of the area right here. I think this is really nice. Something I missed on my Pixelbook was some of the buttons because it doesn't have like a delete button, etc. And it was I learned, you know, how to get around it. I would, you know, like just select something and then do the backspace. It does have a backspace button, but it would be good having that again. So apparently I don't know the password for this because I've not been able to get into the Wi-Fi. So again, super cool machine. I think this is the one that comes with this. Wait, there I go. Let me not break anything. Okay. Yeah, I was just checking if this is the one that comes with the M1 chip. The super new M1 chip that I've been hearing about. Let me see. I'm not seeing this. Maybe I'll actually have to get into the machine and then look at the specs from inside. Not that I know how to get to it. As I mentioned, I haven't used a Mac in, you know, other than touch and go, showing someone on it in so many years. So I'll have to go and figure out you know, how to navigate through all of this. And imagine having to navigate with, you know, I have my Windows for work, my Chromebook that I usually use for my personal item, and now I am gonna go to a MacBook. So let's see. This is just an initial, you know, like unboxing. I will do a video after I have everything set up, speaking to the specs, etc., and a full comparison with my Pixelbook. Why? Because that was my previous machine. You know, I'm not advocating for the Pixelbook. I'm not telling anyone to go and buy it. I love mine, and it's just super flexible. I carry it everywhere with me, vacations, travel, because I find it so much more convenient than my phone because I use the browser a lot more than anything else. And yeah, so here it is. So I'm a little bit in the process of setting this up. I keep dropping things. I don't know why. So I'll do a video afterwards, a comparison to let you know what I think. Eventually I'll do one about setting up my developer environment. I'll probably need a lot of work, a lot of help from YouTube and other, you know, tutorials, etc., to learn how to set it up. So now it's on migration. So yeah, that's it. That's me. My brand new MacBook Air. Super love it. It's super sleek design. I do plan to get it some colors. Really love the packaging. Love it. I mean, usually I unbox a device and I have so many boxes, etc., you know, just laying around. Now I just have this. I just close it back, and that is it. Even if I needed to return it, I just slide it back into this, and I'll be good to go. So that's it, guys. I'll have another video once I kind of get into this and have more details, check out the specs, and have my dev environment launched.